Okay, the purpose of this seance, we call it a Pendulum Seance, and it'll become apparent why, is Spirit will look at every one of the people that are in the circle, and we've all got an aura, and depending on how sensitive to Spirit you are, depends on how bright that aura is, and the Spirit are attracted to the most brightest. Think of yourself as bulbs. So if you're like a 1,000-watt bulb compared to a 10-watt bulb, that's where they're going to go. And the reason they're going to do that is because they know that you're going to be the best medium to communicate through. And the way they're going to do that is they're going to kind of physically join with your energy field. And we can only ask open and closed questions, things that we can only respond yes or no. And what we'll do is, once we've established the person to communicate with, sometimes there's more than one. If there's more than one spirit, that gets a bit awkward at the beginning sometimes, is they'll maybe push you forward for yes and back for no. And I don't mean push you off your feet. That's what I mean. Just gently move you so we can see there's a definite movement, and you'll also feel it as well, whoever the individual is. So, we need to get some interest first. So I'm calling out to the spirits in this building, the spirits nearby who can see the light in this place, which is being projected, by other people here that are interested in communicating with Spirit. The phone is here, so we want you to come and use it. We're only asking that spirits with the best intentions are coming forward to communicate with us. If you have ill intent or are malicious in any way, you won't be welcome and you'll be shown the door. So, any spirits here, look at this circle, look at the people within it, decide who you feel you can work with best. The person who maybe suits your personality, and maybe reminds you a little bit of who you are. And I want you to gently move in to that person's energy field so that they can feel you there. People in the circle might start to feel like an electrical charge going through the body. Sometimes, if it's strong enough, the people who are linking hands with them can feel that through their hands. There is some spirit energy in the room, it's not very strong though. When you've connected, I just want you to gently rock that person backwards and forwards to indicate to us that you've connected. You will do some movement, it's unavoidable. So in order to establish that you link with Spirit, you'll have to tell us if you're being moved. Because I saw at least 2 people move when I said that. Lady linking hands with Simon on his left, seems to be rocking a bit.
So she's rocking a bit.
Yeah, I can see it in shadow over there. Yeah.
Do you feel you're being moved, or do you feel actually maybe... Have you got your eyes shut?
No.
No? Because sometimes you get a little bit wobbly with your eyes shut, but do you feel you're being moved?
Yeah,
You can see it really bad.
I don't feel the pulse, but
No,
I feel on, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, these arms.
What's your name? What's your name?
Barons of Fire Radio.
Okay. Okay, so spirits.
Just getting my hands on, that's all.
If you're working with Karen, stop rocking her backwards and forwards and just keep her still at the moment. Just move her forward. Okay, it's only a slide, but it's a forward. Thank you. So what we're going to do then, Spirit, is to communicate. I'm going to ask questions which you will only be able to answer yes or no. So if the answer to my question is yes, then I'd like you to gently move Karen forward. If the answer is no, then I want you to gently move her backwards. Do you understand? Thank you. Okay, can I ask firstly, are you a male spirit? You look like you're going forward,
Yeah,
you are forward. So you're a male spirit, thank you. Are you connected with this place? Yes. Okay. Are you connected to this place as it looks now? Yes. No. Okay. So, are you connected to this place from a former life, what it was in the past?
Right, culture.
When it was a workhouse?
There's only you moving.
Yes.
And yours is.
That looks like, I mean, it's very subtle, but it looks like moving forward, but then you're going to have to say, to confirm, because you obviously...
I'm going for
Yeah,
she is, because I can feel it sort of thing when she does
You can
go.
see it really
Yeah.
bad in shadow.
Right,
And
okay.
I'm trying really hard to
Yeah.
not move.
Yeah.
Oh, don't try and fight it.
Well,
Oh,
no,
Yeah,
well,
yeah, they're not going to do it in such a way you'll lose
No.
your footing and you'll
Tell me
fall
if you're
over.
going.
We went
Nice, how are they going to roll out with
Okay, so we've got a male spirit who is connected to this place when it was a workhouse. Did you work here? No. Mm. Okay.
Are your legs really stiff? Or are your legs loose?
She's answering.
Yeah.
They look like they're really stiff like that.
Yeah, straight back in.
Yeah.
The leg by the end.
Yeah, they're quite stiff.
Okay. Did you own the workhouse?
I had a bit of a wobble then.
If you feel uncomfortable, just stop. If you,
Okay, you move back there and then let's try that again. Did you?
No.
No, you're going back, aren't you? Okay, so you didn't own it. You are connected to it, but you didn't work here.
Miles out, sat it down, missing it.
Were you involved in the construction? Yes. Okay. Did you die here? Is that the case? Did you have an accident which you later died from? Yeah?
Yeah.
Like a, yeah.
Yeah.
And was this accident someone else's fault? Yes.
Yeah.
And I get the feeling you're a bit bitter about it. You're not happy about that fact, and that's why you're connected still.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry that happened to you. I'm sure it's the last thing you were expecting. But can you tell us, are there any other spirits in this room? Looks like a yes. Are there any children? Are you fighting it? No. Okay. Well, looks like a yes. Yeah. Is there, or are you aware of someone who has been seen here by people before, described as a black shadow, a tall black shadow? Would you know who that was? You're moving, but I can't.
Yeah, it's like following it.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little
So, well, I suppose there's two questions there. That's why. Are you aware of this person, the shadow person? No. Okay. Are you aware of a gentleman who may go by the name of John, who's here? No. Okay. Are there any, do you know of any spirits that are here who would rather be somewhere else, for trapped? Yes. Okay. And are they mostly children? Yes. And do you feel that they're being kept here? They're not being allowed to move on? Okay, you're wobbling, so I'm not sure which.
Cry.
I say, you look like you're going to cry in a minute.
You're obviously, because you're connected with the energy, if he's feeling a bit emotional about it, then you might feel it. Can you take some of that emotion away, please? I can understand why you might be a bit emotional, but just so that Karen doesn't feel it.
holding you.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Children. I'm upset because these children.
What, like because they're trapped or? You get a sense by who?
No, just a feeling.
Do you know who keeps them here? No. See, they could be on a different level. You're not even aware of them. Do you see any of the children? Is that a yes?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
yeah, followed more than anything.
Okay. What I'd like you to do is, if you see the children, is let them know that they can be around us. We're not a threat to them. We're not, we're not in no way dangerous to them. But what we're here for is to see if we can experience people like yourself in this building, either see them or hear them, or witness something that they can do, whether it be throw something or tap on something. That's all we're here for. And if anybody can do something like that in the time that we're here tonight, we would really be grateful. Do you think you could communicate with each other in some way and actually do something for us?